Hi guys and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys are having positive weeks this week. This week I'll be sharing you guys the book makeover I did on Forest of Souls by Laurie M. Lee. Now this is a full book makeover. I did a front cover design, I did a back cover design, and I did a colour changing sprayed edge. Now I've been experimenting with sprayed edge designs. I knew I wanted to do a colour changing sprayed edge for a while, and this is the first time that it's really worked. So let me show you what I did. First off, it's important to note that I did do this on my Fairy Loot edition of Forest of Souls. I cannot remember which box Forest of Souls came in when it came, but it has got this beautiful front cover with the Fairy Loot edition, and it's a reversible dust jacket with this art on the inside. So here's what I did. So here is the front cover. So we've got the title, we've got this spider design, which as you can see in the light is nice and metallic. So spiders all over it. Then on the back, we've got a lovely spider design in metallic gold. So on the edges, we've got spider webs and crowns. And now here's for the colour changing bit. As you can see, you've got the green decals with a black background, but when you open up the pages, the edges look green. So you've got the black, then you open it up, pages look green. How cool is that? I am so pleased that I was able to bring this about. So exciting. So without much more whispering from me, we will jump into the time lapse. dokie, let's get another look at this. So this is the front cover with the spider designs in the corner and Forest of Souls written on the front. On the back, we've got this lovely spider design that takes over most of it. And then we've got the green and black sprayed edge with the color changing sprayed edges. So now this book is obviously perfect for Halloween, which is just gone. You know, we've got such a spooky theme with all of the spiders. It's just perfect. And I really loved painting this design and designing this. It was so much fun to do. And I think the result is just fantastic. I just love how it's come out, and I just love the fact that I've made this colour changing sprayed edge. I'm really, really pleased it works. I'm aware that it's not 100% perfect, but it's the first time that the attempt has really, really worked. So I can now work on it knowing that I've got a good technique moving forwards, and I can make it perfect, which is really, really exciting. So this will become available on my website and on Etsy for purchase for anyone who, you know, would like to make a purchase or to buy this for themselves. So please be sure to go and check that out. Also, coming up soon, you will see Cinder, Clockwork Angel. We've got Kingdom of the Wicked and Kingdom of the Curse, and that's actually a collaboration project that I've got going on with another YouTuber. So that's really exciting. I've also got sprayed edges for Song of Achilles and Circe coming up. I've also got sprayed edges for Gear Breakers and From Blood and Ash. If you would like your own customised sprayed edge, if you would like your own customised novel, please do get in contact with me. You can get into contact with me via my website, so that would be www.kingdombookdesigns.com, or you can contact me on any of my social media platforms or on Etsy, whatever is best for you. Be sure to go and follow me on TikTok. I think I've got something now like 250 followers on TikTok. I mean, like, I know that's small potatoes, but it's growing quite steadily and I'm quite proud of myself with some of the content I put out there. So that is all from me this week. Next week you will probably see me do either Cinder or Clockwork Angel. I hope you guys have positive weeks this week, and I will see you next time. Bye!